is the specimen question paper. You may say the sample question paper of the ICSE semester 2 examination of class 10th, and it is the history, civics, geography paper 2. I already uploaded paper 1. So here are the some instructions. Maximum marks is 40 marks. Time allowed 1.5 hours. Answer of this paper must be written on the paper provided separately. So now look at here the important instructions. Attempt all questions from section A and any 3 questions from section B. Means each question carries 10 marks. Section A, attempt all questions. Here is on the outline map of India provided mark, name the following. Means there will be 10 names or 10 places or 10 rivers, any of them you will have to mark on map of India. So come to this one on the map. So look at here in the map. So if you try to look what is the question first. First is the on the outline map of India, mark and name the following. So first is Himalaya. So look at Himalaya. You will draw this area, actually this area, and here is also we draw it Himalaya, here to here. So this is, I draw this one, it is black one, it is Himalaya. Second is river Ganga. Second is river Ganga. So river Ganga is, look at here. Here up to here means this, you have seen the red line. Gangotri to Badrinath to here Bay of Bengal, this area. If you see properly, it is the second question, river Ganga. Next is the third is the Chennai. Look at this one, band 1. So this is band 1. So this is area of the Chennai. So this is area of the Chennai, place of the Chennai. Next is the Western Ghat. Western Ghat, look at here. So black mark. If you see this black mark, it is the area of the Western Ghat. So this is the Western Ghat. Next is the Gulf of Kutch. What is Kutch? Saurashtra area is known as the Kutch. Saurashtra area, this is the Kutch. This area is known as the Kutch. And Gulf, what is? The rivers or the water is surrounded by the 3 sides. 2 sides. Here is the here, 3 sides. It is the Gulf area is the Gulf. So it is Gulf of Kutch. It is Gulf of Kutch. In this area is known as the Gulf of Kutch. Malabar western coast. So Malabar is the, here is the Konkan, and in from this area known as the Malabar coastal plain. Karakoram Pass, this one. This is the area of here. This means road or the narrow pass. It's known as the Karakoram Pass. Black soil. So black soil here is the area of the Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. These are area of the black soil. Indian Standard Time. So look at here. This area from here to here, this line is known as the IST, Indian Standard Time, or Standard Meridian of India. And Jharia Coalfield, here is the in Jharkhand. It is triangular here. In triangle I show the Jharia Coalfields. Now come to the question number 2. Section B. Here is the attempt any 3 questions. So here there will be 6 questions, means 5 questions, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So question number 2, you will have attempt any 3 questions from this section. Question number 2. A. First to 1A. Give any one use of manganese. So it is an important raw material in the iron and steel industry, as it is used for hardening steel and prevent it from rusting. Whenever you use the manganese in the steel and steel industry, So it is the, what is the property of manganese? It is hardening the steel and the prevented it from the rusting. Why is copper used in electrical appliance? So a copper wire is used for almost everything electrical related at home because it is a good conductor of electricity. Second is give two advantage of using natural gas over coal. Why do we use natural gas then coal? It is a question. So natural gas is better for the environment than other fossil fuel. Natural gas also produces nearly a third, means one third less carbon dioxide than coal. So with reference to the Bhagra Nangal Dam, answer the following. On which river it is situated? Definitely Satluj River. Name any two states benefited by the Bhagra Nangal. So name any two states benefited in the Bhagra Nangal. So definitely Punjab and Rajasthan. So many states. So next is the 4A. Mention two advantages of using biogas. So biogas means it is a type of plant. Organic material are derived from plants and animals and humans, and raw material can be reproduced, making biogas a green energy source. What is green energy source? How has the nuclear power contributed in reducing the presence on conventional source of energy? The conventional source of energy such as natural gas, while coal or nuclear are finite but still hold the majority of energy market. Now come to the question number 3. Mention two ways in which agriculture sector is important for India. Why is agriculture sector important for India? So very simple. First is the agriculture as an important sector of India economy, as it contributes about 17% to the total GDP. So GDP is the total sum of the all final goods and services of a country in a given time. So that GDP means agriculture contributes 17%. This is the first one. Second, agriculture provides employment to over 60% of the employment. B. Name one crop that grows in each of the season mentioned by you. So name two agriculture season of India. Second is the, so name two means Kharif and Rabi. Kharif is just, it is a period the June to early days of November, and Rabi November to March. And Kharif means Kharif examples paddy and Rabi means wheat, because here is given one. If you written that two means Kharif paddy maize and Rabi wheat and tobacco. Next questions with reference to wheat cultivation, answer the following. Name the soil found suitable for its growth. So definitely soil with clay loam and moderate water holding capacity are ideal for the wheat cultivation. Name the state that is the largest producer of this crop in India. Uttar Pradesh. Be remember, Uttar Pradesh produces more wheat than other state. Why is the crop not grown in the southern parts of India? Question number C. So wheat requires that at the time of sowing, the temperature should not rise beyond 15 degrees Celsius. It is not more than 15 degrees Celsius. But this is not possible in the southern part of India, where the temperature generally in winter are higher than the 15 degrees Celsius. Hence wheat is not grown in the southern India. Next 4 question. Name the largest producer of tea in India. If I am just uploading this video in this time, West Bengal, what is last in this budget shows that West Bengal is the leading producer of the tea in India. But in your book or maybe the answer, so it is confusion, but answer you definitely write the Assam is the leading producer of tea in India as per book. Name what is ginning. So ginning is means processing to remove the seeds and debris from the cotton. So it is a ginning. But in the tea concern also same thing, means remove the means debris and others bad materials from the tea. And what is the pruning essential for tea crop? So pruning is definitely means cut the tree. It is the means pruning is the method when the branches of tea bush are cut off. What is the benefit of this one? So this method encourages the growth of new shoot with softer leaves and to keep the plant about 1.2 meter high. Next question, differentiate between the public sector and the private sector industry going suitable example for each from India. So public sector organization are owned and controlled by the government. Example BSNL, SAIL, State Authority of India Limited. Private sector are organized and controlled by an individual. Examples Tata, Birla, Reliance, and other things. So second is the give two way in which cotton textile industry is important for India. So two ways means cotton textiles here is what is the importance of the cotton textile industry in India. So first is the directly or indirectly 2 crores people, which is nearly 40% of the whole country, is labor force depend on cotton industry. Second, India is the third largest exporter of cotton textile and earn foreign exchange for the India. Next question is the third. With reference to Rourkela steel plant, answer the following. Where is it located? It is located in Odisha. And which country helped India to establish the steel plant? That time the West Germany, but West Germany is the means combined together and Berlin Wall the fallen. So that's why you have to write only Germany. Second, C, from where does it get its iron ore requirement? So it is so many places, Normandy of the Jharkhand, West Singhbhum and other places are there. Barsua is also there. So next question is, what are the benefits of using petrochemical product? Any two means you have to write any. So first thing is the low cost labor and second is the quality output is the best quality output. How has the electronic industry revolutionized the entertainment sector? So the electronic industry has made an impact on entertainment sector because its device, electronic device or and the software are used in the entertainment field. Mention two advantages of using waterway. So it is very beneficial, transport heavy and bulky material. Second, it is the most inexpensive means of the transport, means it is cheaper transport. Second, difference between the national highway and state highway. The national highway, the major road constructed and maintained by the central government are known as the national highway. And the major roads are maintained by the state government are known as the state highway. First difference. Second difference is the national highways connect state capital and industrial city with the harbour, and state capital connect the state capitals with districts of that concerned states. So this is the benefit of the mention three benefits of Golden Quadrilateral. So this highway interconnect many major cities and ports first, and it provides an impetus to truck transport throughout the India. Second, it enables the industrial growth for all small towns through which it passes. What are the three advantages of air transport? So three advantages of air transport. So air transport is disadvantage here written. So what are the three disadvantages? So first disadvantage is the risky. Air travel is the riskier mode of transport since there can be considerable losses of goods, customers and crew members as a result of minor crash. Chota bhi ghatna ghat. So if suppose means fall and another thing. Second is a disadvantage cost. Air travel is considered to be the most expensive means of transportation. And limitation, there is a whole variety of material not suitable for the such product for exclusive gases, batteries through the air transport. Now come to the question number 6. Question number 6 is, why is there a need for the waste management in India? So waste management infrastructure has an important role to delivering sustainable development. Rapid population growth in India has led to depletion of the natural resources. Second, segregation considered a safe method to waste disposal. Yes, segregation is one of the most important activities that we need to promote and enforce for effective waste management in urban area and to make a landfills. Second is a mention three ways that we use in India to reduce waste. So many means we use to the reusable bags, containers, bring them with you, and when we solve this. So like this one reduce waste, and the mention three reason as we have the dumping of waste may be harmful. You just write answer in own language because it is a three reason for why is the dumping of the waste may be harmful. So you will just very simple create the so many harmful means liquid and the acidic way. So you have to. So I think this is the last question. So thank you and good luck for examinations.